Good morning. Today we have some real interesting stuff going on. One of my clients, who basically has become a friend, is a commercial fisherman, and he does a lot of shrimp and crab work. He fishes for crabs and shrimp, and he also has a catering business. And it's just really kind of funny because I joke around with him. He still pays me to do the work, but I call it working for food. He calls me up and he says, "Lee, I got some extra crabs. I just boiled them. Come on over and get you some." And I bring them home, and my wife and I love seafood. So he got me 5 pounds of fresh, beautiful shrimp and a dozen crabs. And I'm going to pick them up today because I'm going down there. It's just, it's a really cool deal to have fresh seafood like that available. And if you have never had Louisiana crabs, they're really good. You know, cooked up the right way. They boil them and season them correctly, and the shrimp the same way. So I've got to go down there. We got a couple jobs to look at. All right, here we are over at the crab and shrimp oyster guy's house. Best seafood ever. I got the boys with me. We're trying to collect some money. Well, not money, some shrimp. The case is filled with shrimp. It's blowing so hard. We drove some pilings out there for him the other day, and we're under his house. We got our ice chest. The only problem with the ice chest is it's empty. He's not home, and it's blowing so hard. This is his catering business right here. They are the best. Anyway, we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna wait out the weather, and hopefully somebody shows up to deal us some shrimp. The best shrimp you ever had is fresh Louisiana shrimp. Man, it's blowing good out there. We're in the MTVR, so it's not really a big issue. This is how we get paid. Look at the size of these shrimp. They are freaking beautiful. Oh my God. I will work for food. Let me tell you something. This guy knows how to motivate me and how to pay his bills. Look at the size of these things. They're freaking beautiful. He cooked them, boiled them for me. Oh my God. I love these. Everybody's gonna be jealous. These things slept in the bay a day ago. What do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Oh my God. So we got a dozen crabs and 5 pounds of shrimp, all fresh. Awesome.
15 minutes. Filled up the little picking table. They jumping all over. They all over in the boat. I need a bigger boat.
All right, so honey, this guy's trying to trade us boat lift for crabs here. I think I'm gonna have to take him up on it.
Yeah.
Look at this thing.
Yeah.
Those are beautiful.
I was fishing the Bayou Sunday.